Welcome to Drafting and Design Center. Today I gonna give you update on or talk on suspended ramp design. Why suspended ramp design? As you can see on a screen, this is a street which is Yara Street here. The name is Yara Street, and this is open space ground where the difference in the elevation is quite high. So instead of constructing a concrete ramp, suspended ramp design was proposed. As you can see, this entire area is being initially concept as a PV2, PV7, PV5, whereas PV2 and PV7 both represents pad footing area, PV5 being decking area all the way starting from this point to all the way PV7 in here, as you can see on my cursor. Similarly, the stair is being proposed as area of PV2, PV5, PV7. PV5 is a decking, PV7 is a footing and decking all the way going up on a street. This represents a bit more on the grading. We wanted to achieve 1 in 14 grade, which is required for DDA compliance. So as you can see that the elevation is being starting point of elevation in here landing, we got it from survey, which is 32.59. From then on we need to ramp up, which is the grade of 1 in 14, 1 in 14, 1 in 14, 1 in 14, all the way up to the street in here. This represents more in the detail, which is landing elevation of that to here, elevation of that and the distance. So basically if you calculate the grade, you will find that it is 7%, which is 1 in 14. This is the detail of suspended ramp footing design. This is the pad footing founded into the ground with a 250 kilopascal bearing capacity, SL82 mesh. C1 represents, this is not a S1, it is C1. C1 represents 75 by 5 SHS, being square hollow section. The length shall be varied based on the elevation, which I presented earlier. That bolted here with pad footing, and again it is bolted, and it has continuously fillet weld with FB1, FB1 being 150 PFC. Again FB1 is being welded with FB2, FB2 is 150 PFC, and later on timber tension is being connected onto the FB2 using bolt, as you can see in here. So this was the detail was adopted and designed for suspended ramp footing for you. Just a little bit on Australian standard, which is fillet weld required thickness based on a thickness of the beam and column. So for 50 thickness of the plate more than 50 mil, will go for fillet weld of 6 millimeter. This is a bit information about geotechnical, which was borehole was done next to the suspended ramp footing area, As you can see here is we had a rock available at 1.4 meter depth. Below that it was a medium dense zone. So we constructed footing depth of 1.4 meter. This is a Chamset anchor bolt were used for bolting application. Some property of M16 and different type of bolts grades. Uh, this was a extreme application of Chamset extreme product, which applies basically the site connection of building which exposed to the uh, to the to the different movements torsion. Again, little bit of about the bolts, which is 8.8s Nacta iron bolt were used, which has a nominal tensile strength and yield strength of this one, which you can see on photos in here. Pad footing, it represents up near the street. Again, pad footing which is bolted with the base plate on FB1. FB1 is 150p FC, and again here is F. This cursor here is FB2, and they both welded together. Again FB2, again they connect together. This is FB2, again the click plate and timber extension. Timber post has been connected and bolted together on these two bolts in here with a timber post onto the FB2. Again, starting of the landing, we have provided tactile subsurface indicator. This is the mesh. Similarly for the stairs, similar thing was designed and adopted. The straight was proposed to be within the stringer. So the stringer was used to, I would say, facilitate trades. As you can see on the screen, stringers here, and the trade is tied up, bolted onto the stringers. So that's it. It was very small presentation, providing you detailed design of suspended wrap footing with a few photos for you to have a look at it and get it in your mind idea about construction. Once again, thanks for watching, and if you like to know more about us, visit us at www.draftinganddesigncenter.com.